Hi everybody, we got the countertop on. We used 8 times PL glue underneath so it's not going to go anywhere, and I've screwed some screws up into it underneath through the frame. So that's setting. We got our sink, which is, yes, a horse bucket. It's pretty awesome. We cut the hole with a nice fine blade jigsaw. Worked out perfect. Hardly any gaps in there. So we'll caulk that after we got this set. We got our little fixture on here for a faucet. Move it out of the way. And then this one is for our clean water, drinking water. You can either put it here, whatever, over there. So, underneath, we got the bucket plumbed. So far it looks good. This is running a little P-trap, and then it runs down through the wall, which meets up with our shower drain, which goes straight into the gray water tank. And then right now the freshwater tank is full. I know because it started coming out of the vent here, right at the top. The pump's working. We replaced this hose just so it was a little less kinky. Has a nice little S-loop into the pump. The pump goes up, goes through the 2 other filters, and then we hooked up a hot and cold water line, which we don't have hot water yet, but we just put it in. And then the fresh water, and then we had another line coming down this way, and then we've just capped it off. But this will go up to the shower and sink in the bathroom eventually. So I'm going to turn the pump on, pressurize the system, and see what happens. Okay.
Water!
Worked. System is pressurized. Nothing is leaking. This is good. Turning the taps. Oh, the taps are on. Let's try one. Well, that's this. Not bad. Hey, it's coming out. Pretty good pressure, actually. Yeah, so it's pressurized. It works. Maybe one more check. See our drainage system should be going into the gray water tank. It all looks good. Yay! We have a water! Thanks, guys.